my name is Yvonne Gonzalez, and I will be discussing the theory of social emotional child. Toxic stress also explains the changes the child develops. It can be a cause for long-term effect. Lack of childhood can help lead to childhood health problems. This toxic stress can lead to long-term health problems. Social emotional learning, also known as SEL, the process which children and adults acquire skills to manage emotions, achieve and positive goals. Self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, responsible decision making. This all helps prevent toxic stress. If you take a look at this short video, you can overall see how the attitude. Really enjoyed this small clip, which demonstrates the emotions that this elderly woman has towards this younger adolescent, which it just shows how she gets mad over thinking that he's taking her cookies, but at the end it's a miscommunication, and just shows how she wasn't able to control her emotions at the moment and realizes that at the end she messed up. However, the adolescent was able to control his emotions by sharing the cookies. So we have a moment, take a look at this short clip. It's a really good one. Competence and fidelity. Adolescents who are in middle school and high school learn to create relationships with their peers. Homework helps them learn about discipline and helps them achieve academically. At this age, the adolescents who learn to trust from his early childhood upbringing will be successful and have initiative to succeed and take chances. However, the child who early childhood was not good will not trust what the future has to hold and will struggle academically. At this age also, adolescents ask this question a lot: who am I? An adolescent at this age begins to wonder with their identity, maybe become rebellious. They want achievement rather than having feelings than inferiority. They also have clear sexual identity. This stage in their lives is very sensitive, important to help them achieve who they want to be. Adulthood. At this stage, many people know what love is. They have long-lasting friendships. They can eventually look forward to getting married. Care is a really important phase in an adult. An adult knows what to care about at this time and who to care about. They have determined where to show self-care, care with parents, friendships, and even marriage. Empathy is a big key word in this phase because they're able to acknowledge other people's feelings by caring. At the final stage, Erikson explains that an adult will have accomplished what they wanted in life. The adult will have accomplished their goals and be able to admire their job, children, work, family, and hobbies. However, Erikson states that if someone does not resolve one of the earlier 8 stages, the adult might view their life with disgust and despair. Impulse control can be a result of a past trauma in the earlier development. As a result of all this, why is it important to study how children grow, learn, and change? Because we need to know the different aspects and emotional needs that a child has from when they're an infant to an adult. A child's emotions and how they were treated will determine the person they will be. And I can't emphasize enough how nurture and love will create a good human being and help them achieve their life goals with their personal life achievements.